Hello guys, welcome to Tech Boom. So today I am going to explain you about how to convert a computer numbering system, that is hexa to binary, hexa to decimal, decimal to binary, decimal to octal, and so on. So I'm going to show this operation on my calculator, that is scientific calculator, that is FX991EX, that I'm going to use here. So first we will press an on button. So next, if you want to convert those binary to decimal, then you have to go to menu setup here. Next, go to this right. You will see the third option, that is base in here. For that, you can press 3 here down button. Then you will automatically go to this function. Here by default it is decimal. You can see here. So those functions are here. If you want to convert a decimal value, that is 69, okay, if you want to convert a decimal number to an hexa or to octal or to binary, they are given here, that is hexa, binary, octal and decimal. This function are here. So if a 69 value, that is a decimal, if you want to convert to an hexa, then after pressing the number, you have to press equal to here. Then after pressing equal to, 69 will appear here. After that, you have to press any of these number, whichever you want to convert it to, hexa, binary or octal. Now first I want to convert it to hexa, so I'll press this button, hexa. If you want to go back, then press this button to go back. So now by default it is in hexa. So again I will convert it to decimal. To convert it to decimal means if I want that 69 into decimal again, then I have to press decimal. So that decimal number 69, if I want to convert it to binary, press this binary button to convert it to binary. So before that, again I'll press 69 to decimal. Without pressing equal to sign, the answer won't be declared. So press equal to sign, 69 will come here. Press binary, answer will be shown here in binary. Again to go back, press this number, press this button. Now the value was in binary, so binary will become here. So again I'll press decimal, press equal to. If I want to convert to octal, press this octal button. Here I got the answer, that is 69 decimal is converted to octal, that is 105. Similarly, other function I'll show, that is go back. To go back directly, also you can press this on button. So if an hexa value, for that I have to press hexa. Hexa value are from 0 to 15. So after 9 they are 10 is represented as A, then 11 as B, C, till 15 it is represented as F. So if you want those letters A, B, C, D, they are given here down, A, B, C, D, E, F. So an value that is hexa, that is any value that is A, B, C, if I want to convert it to an decimal or an binary, then press equal to, first press these letters. Okay, if I want to add any number here, then I have to press number, that will also come here. If I want to delete B, then I have to press to go back like this, come in front. I have to use this button. If I don't want B, then go to B and press this delete button. B will be deleted. So now I have in hexa AC8. AC8, if I want to convert it to decimal, press equal to sign, go to decimal, press this decimal button, you will get an decimal value, that is 2760. Similarly, if I go back, press again hexa, equal to, whenever value comes here, that time you have to press this, whichever you want to convert it to. Now I'll press binary, the binary value will come here. Similarly, if I go back, again press hexa, again press equal to, then press octal. I got the value in octal. Now I'll show how you can convert a binary value to others. So binary values are in zeros and one. So first I'll press a binary, then I'll put 1 0 here, 1 0. You cannot put other digits because binary either in 0 or in 1. So I'll take any example, 0 1 1 1 0. Then I'll press this equal to sign here down. Then if I want to convert it to decimal, hexa or an octal, I'll just press them decimal. You get a decimal value of this binary number. Next is, if I want to go back. If I want to delete this one here after 0, then I'll go like this and I'll just press this delete number, so it will get deleted. So this is by default, it is in decimal because my previous answer was in decimal. So again I have to press binary, then press equal to. If I want to convert it to octal, press this octal. If I want to convert it to hexa, press this hexa button. Now if I want to convert it to octal, press this octal. You will get the value 26 of that binary number. Now I will show you how you can convert an octal to others, that is decimal, hexa. Octals are from 0 to 7. So if you press 8 or 9, you will get an syntax error, or A, B, C. That is, I'll show you here. If I press 89, then if I press equal to after that, I'll get a syntax error because octal are from 0 to 7. So I have to press 77 or 45 like these numbers. So now I press 77 for 7745. So press equal to. If I want to convert it to decimal, press decimal, go back. If I want to convert it to, before that press octal. If I want to convert it to binary, press binary, go back, again press octal. If I want to want in hexadecimal, press equal to, then press hexadecimal. I'll got the value. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, that is TechDoom. And I have also done this converting this computer numbering system without using this calculator. I will provide the link in the description, so please do watch. And in that video I have also explained about BCD, XS3 and gray code, so please do check out. Thank you.